Introduction of our solar system. The solar system consists of a central star, planets, satellites, etc. The Sun is the central star of our solar system and the planets, satellites or other objects revolve around it. The Sun and 8 planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune together with their moons form our solar system. In the solar system, the planets revolve around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. Exploration of our planets. Mercury. Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun. Therefore, it is the innermost planet of the solar system. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is almost as bigger as our Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is our Sun. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is half the size of the Earth. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is 11 times bigger than our Earth. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is around 9 times bigger than the Earth. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet of our solar system. It is 4 times bigger than our Earth. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is almost the same size as Uranus.